Oh, wow. Some people blink to do it, but I just put my eyes up. Hey guys, it's Bailey. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn notifications to give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, so I'm in 2nd grade, and today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I've been watching on YouTube. You guys been doing this, and in my opinion, I don't think, well, I've only watched some, but I don't think those really turned out well. So I want to see if I can do better. You know, I'm not really good at this. Okay, so my first thing I'm going to do is this for your face. A little goes a long way, so I only do half a squirt down my little hand. And so I just do a little bit. I put some on, then I rub it in. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it in. Looking pretty good so far. The next thing we are going to do, I think, is going to be blush. Blush. I love me some blush. Okay, I can open it. And a little goes a long way for blush too. There we go. I want next to be mascara. I'm also not the best at naming. Dang. Oh, wow. Some people blink to do it, but I just put my eyes up. Okay, guys. I think that's good for now. So this one, I have 2 choices on. Let me just, I have 2 things, like, stuff. So I have this thing, that, and I have this thing. But I think what would look good on me is, I just thought of something where I put it's white, but you guys, it looks pink, but it's really white. White on one eye and black on the other. That'd be funny, but I think I'm gonna do white. Okay. So I got some. Okay, guys. Do you see? Looking good, huh? I do. So for my next thing, I'm going to do lipstick. I'm horrible at putting. Maybe to hurt some more. There we go. For my last thing, I'm gonna do, my last is this. I think this is for your, it has 2 sides to it. This one's for your eyebrows. You can see my eyebrows are a little light. So let me open this. And I think it actually looks like his. That's one. Oh my, I can't believe people do. Oh my, I'm doing it with my left hand. I'm not good at that. Okay. Bro, guys. Oopsie. few. There's more. Okay, guys, do you think I should add any more? I want to do something fun, guys. So you see this one, how I thought black? I'm gonna do like, so my brush has this side and that side. I'm gonna use that side with some black and put it. It's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's cool. Horrible. Oh my gosh, I got it everywhere on my hand. Look. It takes forever to put all of this back in the back. Because there's stuff I didn't want to. I don't know what that is. There's stuff I didn't want to use because I didn't even know what it was. I look creepy. Okay, so I'm done with the makeup. And today's shout out is going to be for my friends Marley and Silas. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and turn notification. See you guys later. Bye.